Like your shirt, Nate.
There you go. Help. Oh, are you going by her, Daisy? Yeah, Daisy. All right, got you, Nate. Let's go. We in it. Good. You got it.
Love what I'm seeing. Love what I'm seeing, all right?
Hey, that close out weak. Hey, that close out weak. Let's go. Good move. I'm coming. Here you go. Got help. Keep talking, y'all. Stay with.
Spacing, good passes. We're still trying to learn our teammates, all right?
Got you here. Good shot. Watch it. Right by side.